Okay, need help understanding different sounds these motors are making. Not sure how well the camera will pick it up, but two of them seem to be louder than the others. So I'm going to turn on motor 1. Okay, but then motor 2. Motor 2 is quieter. Motor 3, also loud. Can't tell. And they're all, right now I'm doing the output calibration in OpenPilot, and they're all set to 1120 for the value. And that one's quiet too. I thought maybe it was the motor, the propeller adapter mount, but I took that off and it's still the same. Brand new. No crashes or anything, so I'm just trying to figure out what I'm hearing.